How to start Watch Party on Amazon Prime. To start Watch Party on Amazon Prime, you will need an extension on your web browser. Head over to any browser you prefer. After that, go to the search bar on the top and type in Chrome Web Store. Now tap on the first link that appears, which is of Chrome Web Store. Inside the web store, you will see a search bar at the very top. Now on the search bar at the top, type in Teleparty. You will see a lot of extensions if you scroll down. Again, go to the search bar on the top and type in Teleparty Prime Video. After doing that, you will only see one result. Click on that extension. Now select Add to Brave to add it to your browser. As you can see, Teleparty also supports Prime Video as well as Netflix, HBO, YouTube, Hulu and Disney+. Now choose a video on your Amazon Prime Video. After that, you will need to share the link to your party, and just like that, you can watch together. Just remember that your friend also need to have the Teleparty installed on their browser. That's all for today. Thank you.